Hi guys, it's me Japs and wait, sobrang awkward ko na. Hi guys, it's me Japs and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a house decor haul. So I'll be starting off with the lamps that I got. By the way, I got all of these from furniture stores. So if you want like really nice na decors, furnitures, they also have Ikea products there. So yeah. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is this table lamp. So meron siyang black and like gold accent and it looks like this. So I got this one for my brother since it's like really classy tsaka masculine din yung design. And yeah. Tapos I also got these. I have two of them. Here, nasa back yung isa. So, this one is table lamp then that I got for my parents' room. So, it's white, plus may gold accent din as well. Because we have a lot of gold accent dito sa house. Especially sa living room area and kitchen. I mean, dining room area. Yeah. So, it's really nice. So I got this lamp naman for my room. I only got one kasi I don't want to use two lamps since feeling ko hindi ko rin naman siya gagamitin and marami na akong ilaw inside my room. So it's matte black, parang sa brother ko, but this one parang siyang mas shiny compared dun sa parang medyo matte yung pagka-gold dun sa brother ko. Yeah, it's also black all throughout and then may onting gold here. Parang siya hindi gold eh, parang siyang very pale na type of gold. I like it because bagay siya sa minimalist na aesthetic ng room ko. So yeah. So aside dun sa mga lamp na in-order ko, I also got like pots. This one's plastic, tapos galing siya from Ikea. Yeah, it's so cute. This one's made out of plastic lang. So, and bagay siya lagyan ng fake plants from Ikea din as well. This one is a fake plant that I got like months ago pa from Ikea din. Also got it from the same store. This one's cute. Maganda siya i-display for like shelves and like mga tables. Yeah. Hindi ko na natanggal yung sticker because kaka-unbox ko lang kanina. Okay, so moving on sa iba pang pots that I got. This one is also, I think this is also Ikea. Pero hindi na siya plastic. It's mababasagin. I got two of these. Yeah, it's really nice. As minimalist din. White lang siya. And then I also got like a small na pink for my sister. It's so cute. It's also from Ikea. I'll be linking down yung mga items na kinuha ko, like where I got them and kung saang store. And this is also from Ikea. Mababasagin siya and like it's really nice. I really like the arm pattern niya and minimalist pa din siya. Wala siya masyadong design. Goes well with like kahit saang type of aesthetic that you're going for sa house. And so aside from the pots, I ordered a lot of vases kasi kulang ng mga vases yung house. Parang may mga places sa house na empty pa. So I got these as a set of two. Very minimalist din siya and like classy. Mababasagin siya. It's not plastic because it's a vase. And then along with that, meron din akong kinuhang another set of two. Like it has like really cool na line design thing. Also this one, parang may crisscross siya all over done. And I really like the shape. Order din ako ng vase for my sister. It's pink, tas may gold na accent. It's really cute. Yeah. This comes in like a set of 3. So may kasama siyang other 2 na small vases. This one and this one. Ito meron pa rin siyang gold na accent. Tapos ito wala na. So it's a set of 3. Cross yung name niya. It says here. I'll link this down below if you're interested in buying the same shit that I got. So yung next one that I got is yung Ikea na mulig na clothing rack, and it's in the color white kasi feeling ko mas magma-match siya sa room ko. Feeling ko magma-match siya sa room ko kaysa sa black one. Like, para mas minimalist yung look niya. I'll insert na lang a clip here of what it looks like with my clothes on, then hanged and without it. So the next one that I got is the Ikea na, I forgot what it's called. I think it's the Lurberg na rack. So I assembled it here since walang mag-assemble. And it's an all-white na metallic na rack, shelf, or whatever you call it. Very fitting din siya for the minimalist vibe that I keep reminding you of. I plan on putting mga fake plants or like real plants, and then mga pots and maybe artworks sa shelf, since it's nice para medyo may onting factor lang yung room mo kahit na minimalist siya. So here's a clip of me assembling yung rack thing that I got. So honestly, like, wala akong idea sa pinagagawa ko dito kasi hindi naman ako nag-assemble usually ng mga ganito. So yeah. So moving on, I also got this na Ikea Naparang, I don't know what you call it. It's like a folding table na maliit. And I think it's really cute, very minimalist. Nagmamatch siya sa floor ko kasi light yung wood niya, and also white yung tray. Matches again with my room. And it's really nice kasi pwede siya lagyan ng magazines, candles, accessories na hindi mo ginagamit for decoration. Namutan ko, I also got these small na parang vases. I actually thought na mas malaki sila. I didn't check the size, but they're like this small. It's a set of 2, and I got 3 of them. Pang laman lang ng mga shelves or like tables. Yeah. I got 3 of them. 3 sets of 2. So yeah, sobrang liit nila. So tiny. See? But it's really nice kasi may pang ano sila dito. I don't know what it's called. Para hindi siya mag-slip off. And then, actually lahat ng vases merong ganun. And it's just white with parang speckled na design. I don't know if you can see that, but it won't focus. So yeah. Yung last that I got is this black na bed set for my bed because I have a black na bed. I don't know if you can see that. It's so messy, but it's a black na headboard, and I just thought na parang cute siya if I made it all black para mas minimalist yung dating. I got all of these stuff kasi I plan on doing like room tours since I left it out from my previous house tour video. I'll be showing my room, my sister's room, my brother's room, and my parents' room then as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of my video, please click the subscribe button and like this video then as well. stay tuned na lang sa next video if you want to see yung room tours namin. So, bye!